What if I told you there's a scientifically backed method to manifest your desires faster than ever before? It's not magic, and it's not wishful thinking. It's a psychological technique that rewires your brain's neural pathways. Meet Sarah, who used this method to transform her life in just 30 days. The technique begins with something we all do naturally: visualization. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just visualizing your goal, you're going to hack your brain's reward system. Step 1. Write down your desired outcome in precise detail. Step 2. Choose a physical anchor object, something you can hold in your hand. This object becomes your brain's tangible connection to your goal. Sarah chose to manifest career confidence. Her anchor, a smooth blue stone. Every time she touched the stone, she mentally rehearsed her success. Here's the hack. Your brain releases dopamine, not just for real rewards, but for anticipated ones too. By consistently pairing your anchor object with vivid visualization, you're literally growing new neural pathways. Within weeks, Sarah's brain began associating confidence with her natural state of being. The science behind this is called neural coupling. Your brain creates stronger connections between physical sensation and mental imagery. Think of it like installing a new program in your mind's operating system. 3 weeks into her practice, Sarah landed a promotion she'd been wanting for months. Your anchor can be any object that feels meaningful to you. The key is consistency. Touch your anchor object at least 20 times per day while visualizing your goal. This creates what neuroscientists call a feedback loop between physical sensation and mental programming. Remember, this isn't about magical thinking. It's about deliberately rewiring your brain's response patterns. The universe might not be conspiring to help you, but your brain certainly can be trained to start small. Choose one goal, select your anchor, and watch as your brain begins to transform thought into reality. Because sometimes the most powerful changes start with the simplest actions. Your manifestation journey begins now. What will you choose to create? And click the link for more manifestation help.